With Optmyzr Zapier integration, you can easily connect Optmyzr to Trello. In this video, I'll show you how to create new Trello cards for your active blueprint tasks. If you haven't connected your Zapier account to Optmyzr yet, the first step is to get your Optmyzr Zapier key. To retrieve it, go to your Optmyzr account, Settings and Users, and Zapier Integration. Copy the key to your clipboard as you'll need it when Zapier asks you for it. You'll only need to do this once. Let's head over to Zapier now. Here, you'll need to select Optmyzr as your main app. A new blueprint task will be our trigger. For Trello, our action will be Create Card. We go to the next step to set up our new blueprint trigger. Here, you'll need to, first, choose your Optmyzr account. This is where Zapier will ask you for the Optmyzr key. I've already connected my account. Second, test the trigger and proceed to work in the action. Here, you'll also need to connect your Trello account and fill out the details that you'd like to include in your card. For instance, I'm adding my card to the PPC tasks board under the to-do list. You can customize the card's title using variables such as number of tasks and account name. In the description, I'm adding a link to the task. You can also add other details such as labels, card position, and member, but I'm skipping this for this example. For the due date, I use my due date ending variable. We click Continue and proceed to test this app. If everything was set up correctly, you'll see a new card created in your Trello board every time Zapier finds new pending blueprint tasks in Optmyzr.